Okay, I have a parcel here from Google. I've also have another parcel here from a friend, and I'm very excited, so let's start unboxing them. Dear GCP Bullet participants, thank you for participating in the GCP Bullet Challenge. We hope you learn a lot from the Google Cloud Skill Booth, squares and apps you did in the challenge. Hope this experience is helpful in your career and tech journey. Hope you enjoy the program, and we love to see you in the next GCP Bullet. Thank you, Google. So I got a pair of t-shirts here and a tote bag here. An appreciation card, Google Developer sticker, which I can stick on my laptops or iPad, and also a cap. So these are the swags that I got from Google from completing their GCP Bullet Challenge back in November last year. Maybe I should get this off, this is really hot. Back then, I was in this Facebook group called Developer Kaki, and I came across a post on GCP Bullet Challenge from one of the members. That time I was learning about machine learning and also deep learning, so I thought it was really a good opportunity for me to join this challenge and learn more about GCP, which is known as Google Cloud Platform. Basically, GCP Bullet is an online self-study program for developers in Malaysia, which gives them free access to Google Cloud Labs to learn about the platform for a month. GCP is a very huge ecosystem that provides modular cloud computing services such as data storage, data analytics, as well as machine learning. For this GCP Bullet Challenge, the courses offered by them are mostly related to their big data product, BigQuery, as well as some machine learning modules. If you join the challenge and you finish a certain number of quests within the time allocated, which in my case was around 3 weeks, then you'll get these swags. I was really attracted by this tote bag. Nice, right? You learn something and you get rewarded for doing it. All in all, after joining this challenge, I did learn something from it. But because this program is very developer oriented and I'm learning machine learning from an engineering background, there were times that I found it really hard to understand some of their courses. And this has a lot to do with the learning process that I am currently in. Basically, if you want to get a machine learning product working and deployed to public, like the recommendation videos that you see on your YouTube, it follows a sequence of processes. This is a slide that I got from Daniel Berg, a very wonderful and good machine learning instructor. If you're interested in learning machine learning, do check him out. Back to the process. First, you start off with collecting and storing data, and then you prepare the data for machine learning modeling. These two parts mentioned are related to BigQuery. Then, you create machine learning models for the problem you want to solve. This part here is what I have been learning. Here, I just write codes on Jupyter Notebook or on Google Colab, and honestly, if I had a machine learning product and I wanted the public to use it on Google Colab, they probably wouldn't know how to use it because it's just a bunch of codes. It is less meaningful this way. This is where GCP comes into play. It helps you to deploy your machine learning product in a very user-friendly manner, like on a web page or on your phone. With GCP Bullet, I'm being exposed to how GCP is being used for data analytics application as well as machine learning application, so that in the future, if I have any machine learning project, I know that I have GCP as an option to deploy my project. Maybe they will have another seasons of GCP Bullet this year, and if you're interested, you can also join it. Just that if you are starting out just like me, I would recommend that you first understand the machine learning workflow in order for you to understand and appreciate the GCP labs better when you join the challenge this year. For the time being, I will equip myself with machine learning workflow knowledge as well as experience, so that when another season kicks in, I can join and learn about GCP better. Do keep an eye out on their Facebook page, which I will link in the description box below. Do check them out. A lot of talking, let's move on to unboxing the next parcel. So these are the components that I bought for a future project, which I will share with you all when it comes to life. For now, I'm just really excited to get it started. So that is all for today's video, and thank you for watching. As usual, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel if you like this kind of content. So thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.